Hi everyone, in this project we will make a street animation project and we will output for animation render. Our animation will be this format. As you see, you can see in this area, and this Windows glass has reflection feature. Yes, perfect. This reflection area and this windows has reflection area. This concrete section has not feature for reflection. Perfect. Okay. As you see, our project, we will create population character from 3D Studio Max, walking, running, and idle and sitting characters here, and we will add our project, and we will add building texture, and we will add mask, reflection masks. All masks are here, this mask belong this building texture, and this mask belong to this building texture. We want this section and these windows can be reflection, so we will prepare masks for these textures. We can play again. As you see, animation is running and life is continuing in our street, idling, talking each other people, sitting and running and walking in our street. Yes, see, if you are ready, let's start. At first open Populate banner. Yes, as you see, this is population control panel, and let's start. We just this brush size is too much. It may be lower, maybe 180. Yes, and take create flow brush and you can hold on shift, yes, for straight line, and maybe this one, yes, right click, yes. Our first step is ready, and if you want we can test it. This is, as you see, a character path. If you select this one and select modifier, and you can increase density, for example, you can control male or female density also. I can test split, yes, all character has working now, and animation, as you see, approximately 300, and we can play. As you see, yes, perfect for character, perfect. if you want, you can just a bit running and fast, maybe just a bit, yes, maybe running, and I can select all character and switch resolution. For example, if you press 7 in your keyboard, polygons count this, and switch resolution on project cost is maybe rise, yes, as you see, 300,000, but character resolution is perfect. Yes, again, yes, I want resonate, yes, as you see, some characters is running, as you see, perfect, yes, it's good, yes, enough. And I want create a box for bolding, for example, maybe, yes, yes, this way, this is my bolding, and I can shift F, I can align the camera view right now, yes, maybe this one, this way, yes, and Ctrl CC, and camera has created, maybe, and maybe also, yes, perfect, yes, and I can create another box, copy, maybe, yes, and I can create another pavement box, yes, maybe this is one, maybe just one box enough for our pavement, yes, okay, yes, and we can you can download from textures.com, for example. If you want, you can download this manhole, or if you want, you can download this wave cobblestone texture for ground. If you want, you can download this building and this building. If you write building, you can find building. If you write pavement search area, you can find this textures, yes, and this one in also pavement search area. I also downloaded this wood plank texture. This is, I downloaded concrete texture. You can choose anyone, not important. For example, if you want choose this concrete texture, you can download this, yes. And we can add textures right now. Yes. And physical material, base color, or this bitmap, I can choose this building. Yes. And perfect. Maybe we can see on this. Yes, perfect. Size is perfect. Maybe this box just a bit down. Yes, perfect right now. Maybe it's too. Yes. 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 Perfect. And maybe we add this UV modifier, UV map modifier, and box and Gizmo, and just a bit. Yes, it's look like perfect, better right now. Yes, and another material again, bitmap, and maybe this one for this texture box. Yes, it is look like this, perfect. Maybe yes, and perfect. Yes. And foreground, we can add surface and standard surface and bitmap, this texture. And maybe increase tiling. Maybe we can rotate this texture. Yes, perfect, better. Yes, perfect. And yes, our animation is running right now. Perfect. Maybe can see. Yes, perfect. Yes. Perfect, as you see. Maybe this box height. Yes, height. Maybe this one. Perfect. Yes, this one right now. Okay. Old building and modern building together. Perfect. Can G add G? Yes. And we can hide this path. Right click and hide selection. As you see, result is perfect. And I want another idle, for example. Maybe yes, idle. Yes, enough for now. It's our idle character. This one. Yes. We can turn it. Maybe. Yes. Or idle talking each other. But yes, perfect. Okay. Yes. And now I want to produce a few sitting characters and I want to make concrete seeds. Maybe this one. Yes. It's too big. Yes. We can move here. Yes. And this is sitting character and we can call adjustment size. Yes. Yes. Perfect. We can turn this character. Yes. Yes. Perfect. This way. Character direction. Yes. Box size. P and box size maybe just a bit bigger. Yes. Okay. It's perfect. Yes. And or concrete seat. So I can add F4 and add segment and convert to the table poly and add edge F4 and select the order control and yes, mold this all segments. Perfect. And edit, and we can add also standard surface. We can add texture, this concrete, add perfect, maybe just a bit please. Yes, and specular also, so maybe specular 0. Yes, and edit mesh, select this faces, all of it, top faces, and standard surface again, bitmap, and select this texture. Yes, and assign it. Perfect. Maybe yes, yes, or see it is ready and 0 also. Okay, and quit and move again. Okay, and another see, maybe C camera shift, it's maybe here, and we can add sitting character also. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Maybe we can control this box again. maybe in here. Hold on shift. Yes. Maybe this. Yes. And again we can turn. Perfect. Yes. Yes. We can simulate. Yes, as you see. F4. Yes, or simulation. Perfect. As you see, talking each other. No problem. Talking with each other. Perfect result. Yes. And I can hide this seed. Hide and hide. Yes. And maybe this character is problem, as you see. Maybe we can just a bit more. Yes. And working character. And right click and hide all, and we can just a bit more. Yes, because perfect. Yes, I think enough. It will be enough. It will be perfect. Yes. And again hide selection. Again hide seed. Hide and hide. And perfect. Yes, enough. Switch resolution. Again, perfect. And simulate again. And we can watch. Yes, perfect. As you see. So it is perfect. Now I want the windows here and the glass in these windows to reflect the characters in our scene. I want non-glass parts to be non-reflective. For this I will need two masks, black and white. This software or GIMP, or you can use Photoshop or other graphic editing software. And I am open my building texture. Yes, open my texture and layer, okay, and we can control and we can add rectangle selection tool and perfect, and edit fill white, another gloss, edit fill white, and again edit fill white, and edit fill white. This color change from foreground color, and another Windows for yes, edit white fill. You can use another graphic software, not important. Yes, Yes, and yes, yes, edit, yes, yes, perfect. This Windows enough because we just see in first floor tree window, so enough, and select none, and we can add another layer, maybe transparent, not important. Okay, yes, we can move this layer and okay, black, and edit, yes, or yes, or new texture is here, and we can save this, export as, perfect, and also same operation, add layer, okay, and we can add class, perfect, edit white again, yes, again, yes, and last one, sorry, yes. In this first floor is enough for us, and again layer, and select this layer and edit fill black, yes, and export this material, and so or reflection texture, reflection weight, and bitmap. We can choose this mask or mask for this building, and for other building we can reflection weight, bitmap, reflection mask too, and we can maybe control first. I can add Arnold light, and we can add HDR for background environment, and bitmap again, and select this, and we can check control, yes, we can check shift Q, we can add texture for reflection again in this material, yes, base color, we can copy this one, instance, and we can again copy this one, yes, and shift Q again, perfect. You can see this reflection area in these sections. We can add some exposure, maybe -1 and 7. Perfect result. And maybe we can just edit this box. Yes. Okay. Yes, we can add a camera animation, for example, right now. Yes. And 0 frame and add key and open auto key and maybe this one. Yes. 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 And this one. Maybe. Yes. Yes. Yes, animation is ready. Perfect. Yes, we can just a bit adjustment. For example, this box, maybe. Yes, and this maybe. Yes, we can hide. We can add another idle area. Yes. For here. I think enough. Perfect. Yes, or Control S or animation S ready right now, and simulate again, and Alt W, and we can control. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Yes. Maybe we can move just a bit right now, and again simulate, and we can hide this, and yes, again simulate, again test. Perfect. Perfect. We can test. You can see this reflection area. It's very realistic, as you see. For our mask, it resonates our second mask. You remember? Perfect, as you see. Yes, result is good. Yes, our animation. Perfect. Maybe this box or this, maybe. Yes. Perfect. Again. Maybe we can add some sitting character also. So at first, yes, this seed we can copy. Yes, this one again. Yes, maybe this one, and perfect. Maybe this one. Hold on Shift. Yes. Yes. Maybe we can add to here again. City character. Maybe right now. And yes. And for this, perfect. Direction is true. And again, direction is true. And last one again. And simulate again. Yes, we can. Perfect. Perfect. Hide this seat, and we can hide this seat, and we can hide this seat, and this seat hide again. Yes, all animation is ready right now. Perfect. We can test render with Shift Q. Yes, result is perfect. And now, how can we render for video this animation? And select render setup, and we can arrange or whole animation. I choose whole animation, or you can choose maybe right now. And I want, this is resolution, and I want custom and 360, yes, and files, select files or render output. We can create another directory inside of our project directory. Render, yes, maybe, and name is my, and we can write my sit read, yes, and render. Yes, as you see, render has completed. All frames are ready right now. Frame by frame, render has completed. And we can preview our render. So rendering and compare media in RAM and select open. Yes, as you see, all renders are here, and select one, and you can be sure this sequence may be checked and open, and OK, and OK. All frames are loading right now. Yes, render. Yes, and we can play. Yes, as you see, animation is playing perfect. All masks are here, this mask belong this building texture, and this mask belong to this building texture, and we play again. Yes, as you can see, this windows and these glasses has reflection feature. Perfect. Yes. If you want, render just single frame. So you can check this radio button. Just you will have one single frame. Thanks for watching, and see you in another project.